As overlanders, we dream of epic multi-day adventures, but not every outing needs to be a grand expedition. Sometimes all you have is a day, and that can be enough. It's not about the gear you have or the far-off places you reach, it's about the journey. An everyday adventure can begin with just a basic plan and a sense of curiosity.
Oh, good.
You don't need to travel far to discover something interesting. Sometimes memorable experiences are hidden closer than you imagine. With a simple map and a desire to explore, every turn becomes a new possibility, every path a new story waiting to be written. I love finding these out in the forest on adventures. These, state forest boundary medallions stuck to a tree or a post or whatever. It's the little moments that linger in our hearts. The quiet beauty of a secluded trail, the awe of a breathtaking vista, or an unexpected challenge.
All right, I did not expect to need 4 low, but this got a little rocky and steep here, so
yeah, that's kind of surprising. Hey, are you recording this?
yeah, I am.
Cool.
I don't think I've seen that one before in a state forest. It's not labeled as a drivable trail, I guess because it leads eventually off of forest property, but yeah, travel at your own risk. That was fun. Adventure is about embracing the unexpected. Don't be afraid to wander off the beaten path. Some of the best stories often come from the most unexpected detours. Yeah. Okay, so I'm guessing we're here. And that goes down, so it's nothing. Like, yeah, could be. I'll zoom in on mine, just make sure, because I want to.
If we get up out of the trees, we'll get a better, better satellite.
Yeah, that too.
You really, unless it's a guy on it, but it would be a great place with a bike.
Yeah.
Go down and check out that area,
Gated down there. This road's just open for access to this campsite. G3 here, which is pretty nice, honestly.
Yeah. You got a fire pit. Enough room here for a couple of tents anyway.
Yeah. A couple of flat spots.
Here's pretty good.
Shaded pretty nicely. This adventure didn't require much, just a spirit of exploration and the motivation to go outside, and that's what makes it special. Adventure is out there, waiting for you. Venture out and let the journey transform you. Wait, you're still here? Go get in your rig and go adventuring. What are you doing? Come on, get out there.